Halo kawan-kawan, hari ini kita akan membahas soal ujian masuk SIMAK UI tahun 2015. Tapi yang kita bahas hanya bidang studi fisika. Mari sama-sama kita buka. Ini soal matematika, kemudian biologi dan fisika. Ya. Ini adalah soal masuk ujian kelas inter. Jadi kita bahas soal-soal dalam bahasa Inggris ini ke dalam bahasa Indonesia. Oke. Nomor 1, a box of food dropped from a rescue plane flying at the velocity 252 km per hour in the horizontal direction in the very short time. The box is released and rescue plane will start to accelerate horizontally at 9720 km/h. The box attains the ground for second by neglected an air resistance. The box will reach the ground. A, B, C, D, E. We need to find to distance. If this is, let's say this is aeroplane and drop food until hits the ground. This is height of aeroplane, then this is x distance the box, jarak box terhadap titik jatuh. Oke, kalau kita tahu di gerak parabola x itu adalah V0 T plus setengah AT kuadrat. Ini tidak dipengaruhi oleh percepatan gravitasi karena geraknya adalah gerak dalam area horizontal. V0 kita sebut ini 252 kilometer per jam, dan kemudian ini 4 second kemudian ini setengah 9720, ini juga dalam kilometer per jam, dikali T nya adalah 4 second quarter. Oke, di sini ada unit yang berbeda. Ini dalam kilometer per jam, otomatis kita harus ubah 252 kita bagi dengan 3,6 nya. Di mana 3,6 itu adalah pengubah dari kilometer per jam menjadi meter per second. Kita dapatkan kalau kita hitung ini 252 3,6, ini udah dalam meter per second, kemudian ini 4 kemudian ini setengah. Nah, ini adalah kilometer per jam. Kalau kita panjangnya adalah 9720 dikali 1000 dibagi 1 jam itu adalah 3600, 1 jam adalah 3600 second juga, dikali 4 kuadrat. Nah, ini kalau Ini kita sudah ubah dalam unit meter per second, di mana panjang dalam meter dan waktu dalam second. Nah, kita hitung bahwa 252 kita bagi 3,6 kita bagi ini adalah kurang lebih 0,9 ya. Nah, kalau kita hitung ini sekitar 200 ini 280-an. Dan ini dan seterusnya 4 kuadrat 3. Ini kurang lebih 8 meter setelah kita hitung ya. Ini jadi 288 meter in front of the realized place. Jadi jawabannya adalah E. Seperti itu. Kemudian nomor 2, stone a mesh M tied a thread. The thread with a stone is rotate the vertical circle with length of the thread L. Assuming neither stone and thread tension different, assuming neither air resistant, the thread tension difference at the bottom of the circle and the top of the circle. Okay. Let's see on this diagram if this is a trace of the motion object. This is on the top and this is on the bottom. Yeah. On the bottom, let's say this is weight or mg. Yeah. On the top also weight equals to mg. Then we have centripetal force ya. Centripetal force ini menjauhi dari titik ini, kemudian dia akan keluar. Centripetal force ini, jadi dia keluar juga, gaya centripetal. And then the tension group is going to the center of the motion. Center group here. So in the top we have compiling of the force, yeah. F centripetal equals to mg plus t on the top, and then on the also the t top equals to F centripetal minus mg. So on the bottom, tension on the bottom equals to F centripetal plus mg. So if we calculate delta t, this is t on top minus t on bottom, this is equals of F centripetal minus mg minus okay, we will change later. T bottom is F centripetal plus mg. Yeah, we cancel of F centripetal, so that's why we get minus mg. This is 2 mg. Then delta t is minus 2 mg, or if we change, this is t bottom minus t top, this is equal to mg. Okay, that's the number 26. Okay, now continue to number 27. Yeah, 3 cars with same mass m are shown in the accompanying figure. Car 1 moves in the right direction with the speed v and collides with car 2. After the collides, car 1 together with car 2 are both move in the right direction. Yeah, the collide car 3 elastic collision. The final speed car is approximately how much? Jadi ini benda satu menabrak benda dua, ya. Kita lihat kalau dari hukum kekalahan momentum M1 V1 plus M2 V2 stick together, ini nah let's say V aksen, ya. The mass is same, ya, M V, this is 0 M 0 and 2M V aksen. MV equals to MV accent, and then we cancel M. V accent equals to V over 2. Okay, after stick together 1 and 2, yeah, the motion of the that's particles, yeah, that's cars, when they become stick together equals to V over 2. Now about the with the car tree, yeah, this is 2M mass 1 and mass 2. The velocity is V over 2, yeah, and then mass of 3 is M, but the velocity is 0 because they on rest, yeah, that's 0, yeah. So here M V accent V1 accent after collision, and this is M3 V2 accent. Let's say V2 accent is the speed that we have to find, yeah. So we cancel M, yeah, and then we get 2 also, yeah. We get V1 accent plus V2 accent equals to V. Okay, now after collision comes together and two both move in the right direction, the collision will be. This is an elastic collision, yeah. 1 equals to minus V2 accent minus V accent V2 minus V1, yeah. V2 is 0, but V1 is V over 2, yeah. We get V over 2 here, V over 2, yeah, minus V over 2 equals to V1 minus V2. So V1 accent minus V2 accent. So V1 accent minus V2 accent equals to negative V over 2. And then if we find the this equation, yeah, we need to neglect the V1 accent, ya. Maka ini adalah 2V2 accent equals to V over 2. Sorry, I think this is something wrong about this. Okay. Oh, negative. This is 3 over 2, yeah. Okay, and then we get V2 accent equals to wait. Oke, persamaan yang tadi, ya, bahwa ini adalah 2M, ya, karena stick together, Akhirnya persamaan ini kita cancel, sehingga ini 2V1 aksen plus V2 aksen sama dengan V. Nah, ini adalah kemudian persamaan yang dari sini. Nah, yang akan kita cari adalah V2 aksen. Nah, caranya adalah dengan substitusi atau eliminasi. Oke, saya akan naik ke atas sini. Ya, nah di sini ini 2V1 aksen ditambah V2 aksen sama dengan V. Then yang persamaan kedua, karena mau kita hilangkan V1 aksen ini, maka kita langsung kali 2, ini jadi 2V1 aksen min 2V2 aksen sama dengan kita kali 2 adalah min V. Oke. Nah, kalau kita menghilangkan dengan mengurangi ini dikurangi ini, maka otomatis ini menjadi 1 min 2, 3V2 aksen sama dengan 1 min 1, ini sama dengan 2 ya, V. Maka V2 aksen adalah 2/3. 2/3 adalah 0,67 V. Jadi jawabannya adalah 0,67 V ini. Oke. Kemudian nomor selanjutnya ya. 20 gram piece of aluminium C 0.21 calorie per gram at 90 degrees Celsius is dropped into cavity of large block of ice at 0 degree Celsius. How much does ice melt? Latent heat of melting ice is 80 calorie per gram. Okay, this is about the asas black the melting of ice equals the rise of energy of the aluminium MC delta T. We need 5 M and then latent heat is 80, and then mass of aluminum is 20, then C is 0.21 times 90 minus 0 equals to 90. Then M equals to, this is like 0.21 over 80. If we calculate this, we need the calculator. 18, then this is the 44 grams, around 4.4 grams. Okay, now regarding the thermodynamics, about the thermodynamics. If we have question about thermodynamics, dear, the network output per cycle thermodynamics figure is how much ini coba kita aproksimasi kalau misalkan ini adalah seperti ini, karena usaha itu sama dengan luas. Let's say seperti ini. Kalau kita lihat volume yang luas ABC itu sama dengan luas yang besar dikurang luas yang kecil. Luas yang besar sebutlah ini setengah alas kali tinggi, alasnya adalah sebutlah 1,4 ini. Kurang 0,3 ya. kali jaraknya kurang lebih ini 4,5 minus sama setengah dari 1,4. Nah, ini kita lihat segitiga kecil ini ya, segitiga kecil ini dia jarak ini ke sini adalah kurang lebih 2,5 ya. Let's say ini adalah setengah dari 1,4 kurang lebih 1,1 ya, times ini kurang ini sekitar 2 ya, ini around 11. Ya, let's say around 2,5. This is around 10 ya, jadi 10 Pak aman. Two origin sounds separate distance, both sound and splash each sound wavelength lambda. The phase difference of two sources. Yeah, this is the theory of Fresnel-Young. Yeah, if the interference between two students is always destructive. Yeah, destructive is if D sin theta or this is equal to kelipatan a half lambda and 3/2 lambda and 5/2 lambda and so on and so on. Yeah, the answer is so always just follow the question y x t 0.03 to sin 5 t, where x and y are meter in the second tx plus x direction to right. Yeah, the velocity of wave means lambda frequency. Yeah, we find the lambda from here. Yeah, this is kx. Yeah, k is 2 pi over lambda equals to 5p, and then lambda equals to 2/5, 0.4. Yeah, 0.4. Then frequency is from here. This is 2pf. Yeah, so 2pf t. Yeah, 2pf equals to 4p. Then frequency equals to 4p over 2. 4p over 2 is equals to 2. So 0.4 times 2 equal to 0.8. But going left or going right, yeah, you see the positive x. Yeah, positive x direction, so it's right. Yeah, so the positive here, yeah, means this going to the left. Yeah, so the correct direction is 0.8 meter second into left. Okay, continue to number 32. You are given two lens, converging lens with focal lengths 10 centimeter and diverging lens. Yeah, the focal length minus 20 centimeter, with the following will produce the virtual image, the large object. Okay, with the following will produce virtual. Yeah, in bahasa is maya. Yeah, image, bayangan maya. Then larger than the object. Objeknya lebih besar. Ya, ini ada dua focal length, ya, 10 cm dan minus 20 cm. This is the gabungan focal length, and then we get 1 over f equals to 1 over 10 plus 1 over minus 20, then become this is 20, this is 2, this is minus 1, so this is equal to 1 over 20, so we get f equals to 20 centimeter. So how about the answer is if the focal length is 20 centimeter? Yeah, we know if the positive lens, yeah, this is focal length, focus 1, then focus 2. So to make the image virtual and the objects larger than the object, yeah, the image larger than object, yeah, we need to put the object on the room 1, yeah, because if in the room 1 the image will be on the room 4. Room 4, that's mean the image will be larger and also virtual. So how about the f1? So if in the 20, that's mean this is in front of 10, yeah, so in front of 10 we placing the object 5 centimeter from the converging lens. Okay, number 33. One particle has mass m, it travels a long way and makes an upright angle with a magnetic field. Because the particle has positive charge Q, it is influenced by Lorentz force and makes a circular radius r, yeah, with frequency f. The magnitude of magnetic field is, okay, we know this is about the Lorentz force, yeah. The Lorentz force F equals to BQV, yeah. Also this is the centrifugal force, centripetal or centrifugal force. That means F centripetal is mv square over r. Also we know about the V equals to omega r. Omega is 2pf then r, yeah. Okay, we will include this equation, this formula in one formula. How to find B from this, yeah. BQV equals to mv square over r, so we can cancel it first V, yeah. We get B equals to mv over qr. Then V is omega r, yeah, qr. Then m2pf r square, yeah, 2pf r over qr. So we can cancel r, then m2pf q, yeah, this is the answer is B. Okay, number 34, yeah, for the identical like bulbs, yeah, B1, B2, B3 and B4, and the 6 voltmeter are connected as on the figure, assuming the original reading with bulbs are working and V axis is the reading when B2 is caught on fire. Caught on fire artinya kongslet, ya, atau terbakar. If B were the caught on fire, the reading V is, yeah, if the B2 quotient value, automatically the resistor is going down. Okay, the resistor is going down. This is make the voltage equals to the big or big than before. So if the V accent small than before, this is too wrong. So we can assume this is wrong. This is also wrong. Then V accent more than half. This is also wrong. We have to condition. This is the good or the fixed answer, because V accent more than big than V, but 2V accent, this is the bigger one than V accent, because still have any resistance but not actually same with before. Okay. Now continue to number 35. A ring of radius lie in X, in Y, and Z plane. The ring contains specimen charge Q that uniformly distribute the center of the ring at the origin. The suitable graph the representation between the electric field A and distance X. Okay. Electric field on the ring, this is same, because this is same, this is constant, on the radius, this is same, we have A is the linear on the horizontal plane, but after the R, it will be going down but never zero. So the correct answer is on B. Okay, the last one, the number 36. A beam length L is measured by observer when the beam moves with the speed 1.8 times 10 to the power of 8 meter second relative to him or her. The true statement is L equals to how much meter? So we have relativity here. If this is LT, this is LT, LO is L, 1 over, this is V 1.8, sorry, over C, C is 3, this square, so we cancel it. So 1 over 8, 1.8 over 3 equal to 1 over 0.6 square. 0.6 square means or L equals to root of 0.64. The root of 0.64 is 0.8 meter. Okay, the answer is the L equals to 0.8 meter. Done. Thank you very much for you watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.